I blew my mind. I started thinking. Then I started imagining. Then I started daydreaming. I began to wonder. I asked, who? What? Where? How? Why? Question after question. I had so many questions. I asked all the questions I had. I had some answers, and I had some questions that were answers turned around. And I had some answers that were questions upside down. And then I did it. I figured it out. I finished the puzzle of Q&A. I had all the answers to all the questions and all the questions for all the answers of all of the time. And all at the same time. And it was so incredible, so amazing, and so unbelievable that it got so intense that it finally happened. I blew my mind. And now I can't remember what I was talking about.